Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall look at some application problems related to variable expressions. Let us say we want to rent a car, a car rental, and we talk to these rental agencies, car rental agencies, and we figure out that this is what we have. A car rental agency charges $59 per day plus 20 cents per mile. If we want to rent a car for 3 days and if we want to drive 250 miles, what is our total cost? What will be the total cost? So let us try to understand this with these different steps. Let us say D represents the days the number of days we have rented, and then let M represent the number of miles we're going to drive the car. Okay, so in step number 2 we will write that equation down. We're going to, the cost is going to be $59 per day, so 59D plus, and the miles is going to be 0.2 times 250. 0.2 because 20 cents, when we break it down into dollar amount, it is going to be $0.2 or 20 cents. So $59 a day plus 20 cents times, we're going to drive 250 miles, and this is going to give us the dollar amount as to how much the car is going to cost us to be able to rent it out for those number of days. So since we have this expression like this, the car is going to cost us $59 a day plus 20 cents per mile. So that is our equation. That was our original equation, and then now we can substitute the numbers into this. We're going to rent the car for 3 days, so $59 times 3 days plus 0.2 or 20 cents, and then if we were to drive the car for 250 miles, that is going to give us the dollar amount. So when we simplify this, we should be able to get the dollar amount. So 59 times 3 is going to be equal to 177 plus 0.2 times 250 is going to give us a value equal to 50. When we combine these two numbers, the value what we're going to have is going to be equal to 227. 177 plus 177 plus 50 is going to be equal to 227, like that. Therefore, what is this telling us? This is telling us that the total cost to rent a car for 3 days and drive it for 250 miles is going to cost us $227. This is where we want to live. This is a practical example, and sometimes we may be in a situation in this way where we have to rent a car, and then the conditions could be in this manner. So therefore we want to be able to understand the variables in these types of problems. In this problem, D was the number of days we want to rent, and M is the number of miles we want to drive, and therefore we know the rate for a day, and we know the charge for the number of miles we're going to drive, and therefore when we put all of that together, that is going to give us the total value, the total amount of dollars that is going to be charged to us. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more application problems related to variable expressions.